Introducing my buddy. That's Maru. Introducing my buddy. That's Maru. I won't stop till I win. Same for my buddy here. This game is just like a walk in the park. Nice haircut, Bats. As spiky as mine. Bats will hate me for this, but he looks cute. You know, Pochi can be a real help here. Gotta get some sushi after this. Fancy sushi. Very few animals can walk on two legs. Glad I know two of them. Sometimes I wonder, what's it like to have a big family? Hey, Bats, do you like it here? 23 and still a fan of Kitty? I see no problem here. If someday you get in any trouble, just give me a shout. Did you tell your mom you're safe with me? See you later, alligator. Should I go by Cross Circle Claude? Nah, never mind. Here we go, fam. Hey there, looking good. Nailed it. Say cheese. Ugh, radical. On two legs. Glad I know two of them. Bats will hate me for this, but he looks cute. Nailed it! Introducing my buddy. That's Maru.